Welcome back to Video Games Awesome Free Packs Pro and Parallel Primer. Alright, this might not be at PAX, but if it, in case it is, just in case it is, I need to show it to you.
I saw a bum.
I think I saw a boob, Warner Bros.
I think I saw a chainsaw.
I have no information that this would be at PAX.
What is going on?
But if it were at PAX, it would ruin the surprise, so.
Oh, Jesus, dead or alive.
Juliet. Who kills zombies? Oh my.
Is that a head?
Yeah.
Not much of a big secret when you walk around with heads hanging off your shirt.
Well, I think that not many people noticed the head at that point in the trailer.
Sweet.
From Suda51, the creator of Crazy Games. Damn it.
Office chair snowboarding or whatever it was, no?
No.
I like the panty flash there.
No more heroes. Thank you, guys.
That's sweet.
Oh yeah!
I approve.
I
Pretty
like
good.
it.
Here, we'll watch it one more time just to get any of the intricacies that we might have missed there in the trailer.
Could you pause it on an upskirt?
Hey?
Pause it on an upskirt. There's a good one as he jumps over a railing to chop a head off.
It's kind of like Buffy the Vampire Slayer meets Dead Rising.
Why haven't they done a revamp of that? Movie-wise.
A re-vampire of it? I don't know.
Oh, you set yourself up for that one, idiot.
You dumb fucker! You walked right into it.
Oh, I hate you.
I love the like really cliche attitude.
Yeah.
Bring it, badass!
Yes!
Still!
I love that move.
This sound.
It's amazing. So that might be a PAX. Probably not, though.
Nice.
That's
Here's something that might be at PAX. Actually, I'm pretty sure it will be. I don't know. It was at Gamescom like 2 weeks ago, so.
What does a hero truly need? Much depends upon the hero. Would you be swift?
Arabian Nights.
Nights.
That came to
You need to mix Juliet fries.
What is this?
me. Tupperware still fresh.
What is white? What?
Would you be strong?
Well, that's
Then I can
pretty
grant you the
awesome.
might to overpower any foe.
Whoa.
Ooh, how can you can't beat that. He's too big.
Any foe.
Not him.
Hellboy?
Whoa!
Bravo, bravo, bravo.
Would you be wise? Then come closer and I will unlock your inner cunning.
He wants to be rated.
Yeah.
What the?
Yeah, that's weird.
This is really weird.
All
I like the
kinds of
graphics.
stuff going on in there.
Yeah.
What does a
Yeah, it's really clean style. I like it.
Does the style remind you of anything?
Negator.
Sort of serious, violent content, but with like a nice rounded, cartoonish feel. Well, it's a Valve game.
Okay.
So it reminded me a little bit of the style of Team Fortress.
yeah.
Dota 2, standing for Daga of the Ancients, maybe, or something.
I'm pretty sure that wasn't it.
Anyone?
Anyways, Dota, it stands for
Cologne,
something
Germany?
fantasy like It is a
Defense.
mod.
Defense of the Ancients.
Okay, dude of the ages. Dome of the apple. Oh man, there's a lot of.
Oh,
teen
yeah.
assholes.
Anyways, so it was originally a mod or like a custom map and campaign for Warcraft 3.
Oh, really?
The top-down
Yeah.
RTS. And so this is weird. This is from Valve, not Blizzard. Blizzard
Yeah.
made Warcraft rather. So instead of, it's like Valve is eating their lunch. They took this mod and made it into a full-fledged game that is separate from Warcraft. They took out all the Warcraft and just made what they did. And something about this mod was really unique, the way it makes you play. Notably, you don't, unlike Warcraft, you don't play a bunch of guys. You don't like control like
Yeah.
everyone on the map. You control a one single hero on the map, which is
Okay.
way different from an RTS. That's not even what an RTS
Well,
is.
it's more like Diablo.
Yeah, so yeah, kind of like that. So it looks interesting. I'm not going to show any gameplay yet, but I just thought we'd show that because I have a feeling it's going to have a little bit of a presence at PAX, and we'll see it there. Even with the RTS elements taken out, I don't know if it's my style of game, but I'll give it a play. A lot of people, a lot of my mods that I was talking to on Skype said that even though they're not in RTSs, they like that mod.
cool.
So
Right on.
here's a short little one of a game that might be at PAX, I think.
Code.
And it has a cool trailer.
I like so far.
It's just another first-person shooter.
Or is it?
It actually kind of is. Well,
like Papa Shit,
what's
though.
notable about this one, I know a long time ago it came out about how this one's going to have destructible environments.
Cool.
Everything will be
Really?
destructible. in seconds.
Everything,
That's
everything?
Probably everything but the ground, because you can't shoot, dig a hole. But they said like a
Wait,
lot,
wow. Can you
a
use
lot of
30?
stuff. Basically, every wall can be shot through,
Cool.
Good.
What the?
That's pretty cool.
supposedly.
It's the Borg.
Was he just shooting a gun at that thing?
Yeah.
He's kind of not too
I
bright.
don't think he's ready for this.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Aw.
So he's not the hero then? I guess.
Guess not.
You have to take over the planet?
Are
RoboCop.
you the hero?
What the frack?
Silence.
So
I
here's
want to know
some
more.
Here's some gameplay.
I have.
I guess that would make
I've
sense
heard that
as a
name
man.
before.
Yeah, me too. And I remember a while back, people getting excited about some of the tech demos that they showed for this game.
Oh, really?
This is a really cool trailer. This one's, Becky, you'll know why I like this.
Because it has boats.
Is
You did it.
Because it has boats?
Whoa. That's really cool.
You like it because it goes to the beat of the music?
Yeah,
It's better be a game mechanic.
because the guns were edited
Yeah.
to the music. Oh god, I'd love a rhythm first-person
That'd be
shooter.
awesome.
That would be fun,
Yeah.
actually.
Well, I mean, Bulletstorm kind of is in some ways. You have to do your moves rhythmically to like pull them off. Anyways, it just looks like kind of a cool, badass first-person shooter.
Holy, that is
Jesus.
chaos.
Otherwise, nothing really stands out to me about it yet, but
Play it. So you get on that boat. Oh, you do get on it. Sweet.
Sweet.
there's the guys that
Yeah.
shot you dead on the other one. It's got kind of a neat style to it.
Yeah.
This
Yeah, it's
futuristic
pretty
stuff,
cool.
at least. Tronish.
We saw the movie you guys made in the 80s and loved it.
And
Music is pretty sweet.
That sounds like MIA or something.
so there's that. Here's a game that's already been out and probably won't be at PAX, but it just I was reminded of it because of this trailer.
Ready to use these, brothers? I am ready.
Called
Then
Brink.
let's do this.
Got really bad reviews.
Oh, really?
But this trailer's called Choir of Guns.
Nice.
That's fun. Now on to some
What's that
creepy.
one?
It's called Brink.
Okay.
I liked the part with the guns.
Yeah. Here's a weird one that was
Big, that's for sure.
announced at Gamescom.
Whatever it was.
Again, don't know if it'll be at PAX, but it was just announced, so it might be.
If I hadn't
Black
seen
and
it with
white,
my own
huh?
eyes, I never would have believed.
It looks like Uncharted in a
Dust
post-apocalyptic
and
world.
killed everything. Well, almost. Stay alert when you see strangers. Get ready to run.
Interesting.
Protect yourself.
Cool.
Climb to find supplies.
Edge.
Edge.
Survive. And for now, I am alive. Let's hope it stays that way.
It doesn't look quite as
Interesting.
polished as
Yeah.
Uncharted, but it looked Uncharted inspired. Here's another creepy game.
Partial nudity.
This is another zombie
Sega.
title by Sega.
Sega.
This one's called
will master my craft.
Rise of Nightmares.
Perfect the dark art of raising the dead.
Perfected.
I don't like it.
Oh.
Oh,
No.
man. This is gonna be one of those ones that I'm gonna
Oh.
alone in the dark and be
Yikes.
terrified. Oh yeah.
Now there's something here that you should I should note, and this is gonna blow your mind. This is a Kinect game. Kinect only.
Oh,
really?
yes.
God.
Yes.
Well, hopefully it
Oh,
turns out
that's
good.
awesome.
It's like definitely not your standard Kinect fare.
Yeah, definitely.
Weird.
Hopefully they got the mechanics right then.
Let's play Connect in the dark.
Rise of
You're gonna have to play Connectimals right after so you can go to bed peacefully.
Can I sleep with you tonight?
You just button mash by doing
I'm
this.
scared.
No, on the couch as usual.
Aw.
This is the
Yeah,
same game.
Oh,
I actually prefer this trailer.
not in my mouth.
Just said, not for the faint of heart.
Doesn't sound like it's not awesome.
Okay, I like this better.
It's just the music.
Yeah.
This is official, by the way.
That's pretty sweet.
Changes the whole mood of the game.
Got something in my pocket. Something I forgot. It's all pretty rude. Oh god
Wow.
damn it!
So you saw some of the Kinect
Yeah.
elements
Yeah.
What the hell?
Wait a second.
Show me that dog.
Oh my
Looks like
god.
Vincent
What
Price.
the hell? Wait,
Looks like
I
Walt
Oh my
Disney.
God.
want to pause on it. I need to catch it.
I'm no good.
There he is.
That's
It's
Walt Disney's
Vincent.
head.
I think it's more like
Totally
It
Vincent
looks like
Price.
Vincent Price.
Could be Vincent Price too.
Hello.
Hello. My head is on a dog.
Somebody walk there, please.
I bet that scared you, didn't it?
Oh man.
Oh my
Wow.
god, that is
Nice.
awesome.
So
Wow.
weird game.
I
More.
can totally handle it.
Yeah, you can
To
handle
that
it.
music.
Just listen to
Just
Benny
that
Hill
music.
music.
Just
the whole time.
put some headphones on.
Some ragtime stuff.
All right, when we come back, some more Pre-PAX Primer. Poe Impaler continues. I don't like it anymore.
Boing.
We'll see you in a bit.